Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn a new poem, that is Dress Quickly. Ria, hurry up, we need to go to the party, so you have to dress quickly. Yes, Mummy, surely I'll get ready quickly. So, here let us talk about this poem Dress Quickly. Now, if you see, there are two pictures in this lesson, right? In the left side of my picture, there is this child who is so disorganized. If you see the room, it is very disorganized. All his clothes are scattered, his toys are all out of the box. His room is very untidy. Whereas the picture to my right shows that the child is very organized. He's folded his clothes well. They are put properly in a hanger. His bed is made neatly. His teddy bear is kept on a table. The chair is in the place and the place looks very organized. So let's see, what does this poem Dress Quickly talk all about? The poet for this poem is Gillette Burgess. Let's read what it says. All your life you'll have to dress. You will, okay? All your life we have to dress anyways, in any manner, every single day, unless you should happen to be sick. Now, apart from when you are sick, all the other days you have to get ready, isn't it? Why not learn to do it quick? So you should always learn to do your things quickly. Hang your clothes the proper way. You see here, the child is hanging his clothes in a proper way. So you will find them fresh next day. Definitely, you do not want your clothes to be scattered all around like this child, isn't it? You want your clothes all folded, ironed and neatly kept in a proper manner. You will. Treat them with a little care. Definitely, if you want your things to be good, you have to take care of them, isn't it, children? Fold them neatly on a chair. You can take the help of the chair and you can fold your clothes. So in that way, you are going to take care of your clothes and they will be much more fresher to wear it the next day. So, without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. So when your clothes are organized, you do not have to worry. You can just go and pick up something that you want to wear. And like this child, you keep thinking what you are going to wear, because the place, the cupboard, the clothes, everything is in a mess. Think of the slovenly goose before. Slovenly means a very untidy way. Goops is a person who is very rude and does not have any manners. You strew your clothing on the floor. Strew means spread here and there. So children, this is the poem all about. It says, dress quickly. I'm sure that you know how you have to dress quickly and in a proper manner after the explanation of this poem. Now let us look into the meanings of this poem, what it says. Proper means correct. Okay, so you should always hang your clothes in the correct way or the correct manner. Then the next one, I said you will. Care means in a certain way. Okay, slovenly means untidy. Goops means a rude, careless person with no manners. Alright children, so I want you all to read this poem with me And also you are going to get the notes for the following poem. I want you to copy it down neatly and study it for your tests. So let's look at the rhyming words. Dress unless, sick quick, way day, care chair, worry hurry, before floor. Alright children, so this is the poem Dress Quickly by Gillette Burgess is the poet. I'll be sending you the picture of the lesson. See that you read it, understand, and if there's any doubt, definitely you can message me, call me, and I will get back to you. Okay children, till then, God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.